You sure do. You do have to attend court, and if you don't attend court, there's a very high likelihood of a warrant for your arrest being issued. Courts take drink driving charges very, very seriously, and a summons that you get is a command to attend court. It's not a request, it's a command. You must obey it, and if you don't, without good reason, the courts will issue almost certainly a bench warrant for your arrest, and then the guards will go to your house, arrest you, and bring you to court. So yes, you must attend court. How do I get off with drink driving? People think it's scientific. There is some formula or method. There isn't really. There never is when it comes to the law, because the law is dealing with people, humans, judges, guards, clerks, solicitors, and the human is somebody and a collection of people they're just not precise. There is no scientific way. Sometimes it comes down to luck. Maybe a witness doesn't turn up. Maybe a guard gives bad evidence. It can be something as simple as that, but there's no hard and fast rule. It's a good question. Should I get a lawyer if I was caught drink driving? Yes, I would, every time. I mean, some people do walk into court and they don't have a solicitor and they insist on pleading guilty, and of course they can do that if they want to. But in some cases, there may be a defence to the case, a very obvious defence to the case. And if you plead guilty to it, you can't unplead guilty to it. You can't say next week, well, maybe I should have thought about that. It's too late. Once you enter a plea of guilty, you're stuck with that. You should always get a lawyer, because the consequences of drink driving is a disqualification. It's pretty serious. I wouldn't, ever, because what's going to make you potentially intoxicated or over the limit is different from person to person. Depends on your age, your sex, your weight, whether you've eaten or not recently, whether you've slept recently, whether you've had any food recently. There's a whole different bunch of factors which all combine together to result in you being maybe over the limit or not. A pint of beer for one guy who's used to drinking a lot mightn't put him over the limit, but a pint of beer for someone else who doesn't drink that often and who's tired and who hasn't eaten in a while might. So there's no scientific rule. It's very, very much case by case.